Hello everyone, here is Wenqi. I mentioned before that in the examinations there will be 15 questions regards to risk management. So today I want to share 5 about understand and apply risk management concepts. The first question, which of the following is the best course of action if the business activity residual risk is lower than acceptable risk level? So the keywords I have already marked in red, and residual risk as the examination point. So we have to understand what is residual risk. As after countermeasures, there will be also rest risk. So here is the risk appetite. So we can keep the risk lower than the appetite. So this will be acceptable. So the first one is monitor the efficiency of controls. This is the right answers. The second, review and inherent risk level. Update the risk assessment framework. Review the risk probability and impact. This is the risk management activity. So we can choose the first one. The second question, which of the following is the most significant security risk in IT asset management? So you can read the 4 answers first. Unregistered IT asset may not be supported. This seems good. The second one, IT asset may be used by staff for private purpose. The third one, unregistered IT asset may not be included in security documentation. The first, second, and third answers seems not wrong, but the last one match the control point, match the examination point. Unregistered IT asset may not be configured properly. So this is the punchline. The third one, what are the steps of risk assessment? I already said that there will be several actions in the risk management, but risk assessment is a part of risk management. You know, risk assessment is an assessment. When you attend to examination, so the teacher, the lecturer will only give you the score, but not explain. Yeah, but we don't give you the countermeasure. So assessment is before countermeasures. So we can say there is only 3 steps. The first is identify or identification. The second one is analysis, and the third one is evaluation. You can see in the last one there is a classification. Classification is also a key action, but it belongs to identification step. The fourth, which of the following is a primary risk, a goal of risk management program? Implement preventive controls against threats, manage compliance with organizational policies, manage the business impact of inherent risk, reduce the organization's risk appetite. So the last one, appetite, so we certainly want to reduce that, but that depends on the senior management. The third one, manage the business impact of inherent risk. I think manage the business impact of risk is a good answer, but Inherent risk is a part of risk, so it's not so comprehensive. B. Manage compliance with organizational policies. Yes, it's also a good answer, but I think the first one is better. Implement preventive controls against threats. How can we do that? We should do threat modeling. So this is I think is the goal of the risk management program. The last one, which of the following is the most important reason for performing risk analysis? Promoting increased security awareness in organization, identify and eliminating threats, identifying critical information and assign the appropriate level of protection. This is a easy question. The answer is D, assigning the appropriate level of protection. Okay, thank you.